Hi everyone, Deb here from Dahlia Designs. I just wanted to come on and show you another jewelry making just because. For the Pirate Pretties Jewelry Challenge, I made this dendritic, I don't know, opal with rainbow coated jasper and some Swarovski crystal pearls in 3 different colors. These Baroque ones in like a silvery dark gray, some white rounds and some black rounds, and I only had 6 each of those, and I finished them on the necklace. But I wanted to make some earrings, and also I wanted to make a bracelet. So I did the bracelet first, and this is how I did it. I'm going to put it actually back on here to show you. I wire wrapped one of the dendritic opal in the center of one of the links like I had used here. They're silver plated links, and on either side, to make sure that didn't slide all over the place, I put the gray pearls, similar to what I had done here, and made that one longer wire link. And then I just did opal, the rainbow coated jasper, opal, rainbow coated jasper to the back, and I used the same infinity link, and I made the loop on the last link large enough that it can connect directly on, so it's very secure. And I didn't really measure it, but I'm pretty sure it's about 7 1/4 to 7 1/2, because I'm pretty sure it's a little, yeah, I'm not going to clasp it, but it's loose on me, so I'm going to say it's about 7 1/2. It will fit a 7 1/2 inch wrist. So I will measure it formally at some point when I price it, because it will be for sale, as is everything here will be. And then I went to make earrings. Now, I don't know if you watched my video about Pirate Pretties Jewelry Challenge, but I said that these were pre-made links, and they were styled by Tori Spelling, 2-piece tassels. And I had bought them on clearance at Fire Mountain, I don't know, a couple years ago. And I found them in my stash. Well, I had 2 sets of those 2 pieces. So on the necklace, I used 2 together. But then I had another pack of 2. So I decided to make these dangles. So I did the same kind of link as here with the opal and the Swarovski Baroque pearl. But then I just put one of those links on each earring and made kind of a long, these are almost 4 inches long, so they are definite shoulder dusters, but that's what they'll look like. They're on silver finished steel ear wires from Fire Mountain. This ring is the one that came with them, but I did wire wrap this link, so it's pretty secure, and I think they're really pretty. And then I decided to make one similar to how I did the bracelet, but a little different because I wanted it dangly. So what I did is I wire wrapped the Baroque pearl. I wire wrapped this link right onto the ring. But the Baroque pearl, I played around with it a couple different ways, and I found the best way was to use like a larger 5mm jump ring, and then this tiny little I think 4mm jump ring, so it would face forward. That twisted around a little bit, but it would face forward like this. Otherwise the ring would have been like this without that little 4mm. And I think those are cute too. Definitely something I would wear and may end up. Now, when I did all that, I ended up with one little lonely Baroque pearl left, and I thought about putting a dangle on either the necklace, like an extender, but this is already a really long, really long necklace, and I don't feel like I want an extension on it. And I don't really like doing extensions on bracelets much, especially this is also a little bit larger bracelet anyway. So I think at some point I'll just use this for in a purse charm or where I'm just using odd beads or something, so I'll save it for that. So anyway, that's my just because. I just wanted to make some matching pieces to go with that necklace, which I hadn't done for the collab, and before I put everything away. But I'm working through some stuff. So I finished both of these. I finished the white and black Swarovski pearls, and I almost finished this Swarovski pearl. And I worked through a couple of these. There were a pack of 4. I used 2 of these infinity clasps, and I used a good bit of the 10mm Black Dendritic Opal. Still have a little bit, and I did use quite a few of these Jasper rainbow plated 10mm faceted rounds from Dakota Stones. They're really pretty. I'll use them again for sure. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great week ahead. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye.